Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. It is Francesco here. So in today's video we are talking Notion, one of the biggest trending public productivity applications right now in the space, and we're talking specifically about a question I've been getting a few times in email. Is Notion too expensive? And it is something that is definitely on a lot of people's minds. Now Notion is, if you don't know, an application that got released maybe early last year, 2017, and it's an application that many people are liking because it helps you create your own experience. Now we've done a full setup video of my own setup with Notion and also a sort of Notion overview that I'll link in the description below. But Notion has been sort of rewarded in that sense of being a brand new application and growing, but also a lot of bad comments about it when it comes to its pricing. So at the moment, Notion has three core experiences. There is free, Pro and Enterprise. Now Enterprise we don't really have to worry about right now, it's more the free and the Pro experience. So the free experience allows users to have unlimited members and guests, 600 blocks, unlimited mobile blocks, and a 5 megabyte per file upload limit. So let's just recap that. They've got unlimited members and guests, 600 blocks, unlimited mobile blocks, and the addition of 5 megabytes per file upload. So for many people, that's a tough conversation to have because many people I know would automatically look at that and go, I'm going to struggle with the 600 block limit. Now a block is really simple. It's a piece of the puzzle inside of Notion. So if you add anything like a to-do, an image, a code snippet, they're all blocks, and they can be obviously adding up on the sidebar, which we'll see in the top left-hand corner. Now once you hit that 600 block limit, you won't be able to add any more unless you're on mobile. On mobile you're allowed unlimited block adding, which is something that makes it even more confusing, but that's why they're pushing the mobile application, so that you don't necessarily spend all of your 600 blocks on desktop and you spend more of your time on mobile. Now you're probably wondering, what is Pro? Pro includes an $8 per user per month fee. We'll speak about pricing in a moment. So with this Pro experience you get unlimited members and guests like you do on the free. You get unlimited blocks as opposed to 600 on the free account. Unlimited mobile blocks as well as no file upload limit. You get admin tools, advanced permissions and support tickets too. Now the real question is, many people are asking, Francesco, this is too much, $8 a month per user. So let's say it's just you. In this case we're going to demonstrate out because I'm going to be talking about Notion as a personal productivity tool. $8 is a lot per month. If you look at the likes of other applications, you're probably going to be, for example, Evernote, more in the range of $5 per month maximum, but you do pay this yearly. So people are curious, is $8 per month too expensive? Well, for the experience, if you're going with Pro, $8 a month isn't as bad. $8 tends to be the standard for applications that are in the project management space. Now I believe it's most of the applications, I remember Asana, I remember the likes of TaskWorld being $8 a month, but of course these have adapted based on the features and functions that they're adding, but $8 is, I think, personally a very reasonable price. Now you get unlimited blocks, you get unlimited file upload, which is something that of course you're capped out when you're using Evernote Premium, for example. You're capped out at 10 gig per month, so I guess that's something that you need to consider. Also, the likes of the Pro is billed monthly, which might make it easier in case you want to go, okay, I'm going to pause it here and leave it there, because you can stop the plan and even move down to the free plan, which is something you can do with Evernote. But for example, on Evernote you pay yearly, which is maybe a bit more of an investment up front. But of course, if you tally Notion's fee up for the year, it's 8 times 12, which is, Alexa, what is 8 times 12? $96 per year. So that is a big investment. Alexa, what is $96 to UK pounds? So for example, in the UK, I'm giving you my sort of pricing. Evernote is about £45 for premium per year. In the UK, Notion would be about £70, which is, again, jump through is £25 more per year. But the conversation that you need to have with your Notion experience is it replacing your note-taking experience? Is it replacing your calendar experience? And could it potentially replace your project management experience? And if so, that might be a reasonable price. Remember, you can create your Notion experience to however you like, so I personally think the pricing is pretty reasonable. Anyway guys, hopefully this was useful for you if you're considering Notion. Obviously that might have helped you with your pricing decisions. What I highly recommend, and what I recommend with every single application, is to go with the free for as long as you can. Only if you see a financial investment in it, a benefit to your daily routine financially, or even stress-wise or something like that, a factor that will potentially earn you the money back, definitely go with the Pro if you're comfortable, of course. But if you don't see any value, then this is something that you need to have a continued conversation with yourself. Anyway guys, hopefully you found that video useful. Hopefully it gave you a bit of Notion insight. Let me know in the comments what you think. It'd be great to hear your opinion, whether you've upgraded for that reason or how you've gone about your processes of like paying for productivity software, because it is expensive and it does total up. But anyway guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Let me know with a like if you enjoyed it. You can claim 2 months free Skillshare in the description below. Skillshare is a great workshop or classes application, so you can check it out. My class is on there about to-do stamps, so do check that one out. You can get it free in the description below. But anyway guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure to have a great week, keep productive, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Cheers.